Hello everybody, this is Paul from HeadlightExperts.com. So today we just wanted to show you the difference between a reflector housing and a projector housing. So let's get right to it. Right here we have a standard reflector housing. You can see it has the two reflectors in it. And let me show you a projector housing. Right here we have a projector housing. You can tell this is a projector because it has the glass ball in front of the bulb. And then right next to it is the high beam, which is a standard reflector. So in some vehicles with a projector and a separate high beam, you'll notice that the high beam typically never has a projector in front of it. It's just a standard reflector. On these projectors, you're going to want to make sure that the LED bulb is shining left and right inside there. On some vehicles that have only one projector, and you're wondering how your high beam operates, it typically will have a flap that opens and closes mechanically, and they typically use a single beam bulb in those situations. So if you're wondering, when our configurator on the website is asking you if you have a projector or a reflector, right here you're looking at a projector lens. It's got the glass ball in front of the bulb. Over here, this is a standard reflector lens. And that's the difference. Thanks a lot, and go ahead and find us at www.headlightexperts.com. Thanks a lot.